Yo, what's going on? So today I'm going to show you how to sign up with ZebPay. So the first step is to click on sign up on the top left corner of the app right there, and after that you're gonna fill out information like mobile number, first name, last name, email, and you're gonna set a 4-digit pin, and you can, if you have a referral code, you can enter it right there. Click on this button and then sign up. Once you click sign up, a verification code will be sent to the mobile number and email address provided that you entered here, so make sure to enter a valid mobile number and a valid email address. Enter the codes you received and then click continue. After that you will be asked to log in using a one-time password. Once you enter the OTP, enter your 4-digit code you entered right there, make sure to memorize it, and you're gonna continue. After logging in, you wanna now complete your KYC process. Yeah, so completing your KYC just takes 2 minutes only. So you're gonna go and click on my account section within your ZebPay app and click verify identity KYC tab. When you open that, you're gonna start initiate. You're gonna enter your PAN details. DigiLocker will automatically fetch your documents based on your PAN details. Click proceed, and after that you want to confirm by proceeding to DigiLocker. You will be redirected to Hyperverge screen right there. Will you be able to proceed with the registration? Enter your Aadhaar number and the provision mentioned in the click on text right there. Click next. You're gonna click allow when the pop-up for access to DigiLocker by Hyperverge. Click allow, and then if you don't have a login in DigiLocker, you will be directed to DigiLocker creation, and Aadhaar details will be automatically updated along the creation. Now you're gonna proceed with taking a real selfie. Make sure the selfie is taken live and the face is clearly visible within the frame. Click there to proceed. Now you're gonna capture once your face is through the frame and not outside it. Now you'll be headed to this. You're gonna fill out the information, click submit and verify KYC. Once you submitted and verified your KYC, a confirmation screen will be displayed if your KYC is proceeded, right there. If your KYC was not proceeded, the reasons for that will be displayed on the screen. If you do not have a DigiLocker account or you don't want to do the zero-doc KYC process, you will have the option to manually capture your documents and have them verified. If you want to do that, you're going to click this, continue with the identity verification under the auto KYC to continue with auto KYC. Now you're going to take a front image of your PAN by clicking capture photo right there. Yeah, so after that you're going to tap use this photo to proceed. Your PAN details will be displayed right there. If everything is right, click verify. Once your PAN details are captured and validated, the next step is to upload an address proof. You will select one of these: Aadhaar card, a passport, driving license. Click here and click I agree, and after that you need to take a photo of your address proof. You'll be asked to take a photo of the front and rear side of the address document. Click capture photo right there, and you're gonna take the photos. Once the details are captured correctly, you're gonna click on verify, and you're gonna take a selfie right now. Click capture. You will receive an SMS that your KYC was verified, and if the KYC was rejected, you will receive the reason at email or SMS. You must ensure your bank details are verified. Important to know that you must ensure that your bank account details are verified. Also, you're at least 18 years old and you will be a resident of India. And that is it.